Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add video narration to your SImplebooklet pages. In just a few clicks, you can appear on screen and guide your audience through your content in a more personal and engaging way. So we're going to get started here on the SImplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to narrate. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Record tab. From here, we're going to select which pages we want to add our video narration to. I'm thinking this one. And then from here, we can make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Record button. Right now, the voice recording narration option is available. We're just going to want to switch that to the video option at the top here. If you'd like, you can add notes in the teleprompt section. Just click the pencil icon, enter your key points, and close the editor when you're ready. You also have the option down here to select your mic and camera options if you want to change them. And then you can go ahead and click the green Start Recording button when you're ready to record your video narration. As you can see, a short countdown will appear before recording begins. Once that's done, you can begin speaking. Your camera will record both your audio and video. And when you're finished, just click the red button to stop recording. The recording begins. Your recording will appear in a playback bar with a preview window. From here, you can play it back, redo it if needed, or click Save Recording to add it to the page. As you can see, we get a little confirmation here, just letting us know that our narration has been saved. And as you can see, it will appear down here in the left-hand corner. And this is a good idea of what your viewers will be seeing as they look at your booklet. And just as a quick reminder, you can record up to 60 seconds of video narration per page. In the left-hand toolbar, we also have the option to toggle the settings for our video. So we can toggle autoplay on page open to play the video automatically when the page loads. You can enable autoplay first view only if you only want it to play the first time someone opens that page. Or you can turn on page on finish, which automatically flips to the next page once the video ends. And then if you ever want to remove a video narration, you can just click the delete button in the left-hand toolbar. You can play the video to confirm it's the correct recording, and then select delete recording, and a little confirmation will appear when you do so. Once saved, your video narration will appear directly on the page as a video player. Viewers can play, pause, scrub through the timeline, and watch you guide them through the content. Video narration supports the awareness, attention, and engagement stages of the reader's journey. It adds a face-to-face element, builds trust, and makes your content easier to follow and understand, especially when explaining complex or important information. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of SImplebooklet. Thanks for watching.